Red One started with a rolling display. You'll now see the jets collapse to around 2 meters away from each other as Red One leads them into this left-hand turn. He's called them into short diamond formation. Red One is squadron leader Jim Turner. It's his 3rd and final year as the team's leader. He's got lots of display experience. He displayed the Jaguar, spent 3 years previously with the Red Arrows, including leading the synchro pair. And then he spent 3 years as the official advisor to the Royal Saudi Air Force's display team. Reds 4 and 5 now pitch up to roll back into a shape known as Apollo.
Coming. 1. Now. Holding the bank. Now. Tightening. Eagle. Jack. 2. 3.
You hear Reds 2 and 3 acknowledge the move now to Eagle. And they do that with lots of cadence in their voice to enable them to move back at the same time to form a different shape. And out to the right, this is the shape of the American fighter jet, the F-15, known as the Eagle, for the Eagle roll. Up to 2,500 feet, the jets go upside down and the pilots can see you waving, everybody! When the Red Arrows formed back in 1964, ready for that first season in 65, the aircraft they used was the Folland Gnat, and that was the advanced jet trainer in the Royal Air Force in that era. But in 1976, the Hawker Siddeley Hawk entered service with the Royal Air Force, and in 1980 the Red Arrows began to use the Hawk as their aerobatic aircraft. It's now a product of BAE Systems. It's a very successful aeroplane and it just celebrated the 40th anniversary of its first flight. Well, front left now, the smoke's gone off. The team have formed a new shape. 4 smokes come on. This shape is known as flanker. And now you're about to see a very wide shape formed. Reds 8 and 9 are going to move to the outsides, and from Red 9's left wingtip through to Red 8's right wingtip, the formation is now going to measure 100 meters or 300 feet wide. So to enable them to maneuver as one unit as they fly around, the outside pilots really have to anticipate their control inputs. So they do so by using the very set cadence in Red 1's voice commands. But now in from the left, this is Phoenix. So listen to that cadence in Red 1's voice. On the leader's right wing is Red 2. He's one of our new pilots this year, Flight Lieutenant Stu Campbell. Stu is a former instructor on the Tucano aircraft. You saw it display earlier. He in fact displayed the Tucano here in 2008. And then operationally Stu flew the Tornado GR4. Well, out to the right, the smoke goes off as the boys form our trademark shape, ready for all 9 jets to smoke in the diamond roll. Another big wave, everybody! We fly our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left-hand side. The even-numbered pilots fly on the right-hand side. And in their 3-year tour with the team, the pilots generally start at the front near the leader, and as their proficient